Yeah, this is me on Xbox 360. I see down there my Xbox. Yeah, I'm Devil Jacky. Hi. Hope you like my videos and hope you subscribe. And here we go. It's 3 minutes long. Music's turned off a minute, but I think it might come back on. There's a shit picture at a minute, but fucking hell. Yeah, it's because my bedroom lights on. Yeah, I'm a fucking video of this shit. My music is really crap at a minute, I don't know why. I think I died here. Yeah. What's that? It's mostly pistols and shotguns I was using. Double kill. I'm awesome at quick scoping and they're probably the best. Oh, I just say that's what I mean. If I did that, that'd be the best. Oh, this way I got a good kill at the end. I Devil Shopper.
Hunter-killer drone on standby.
My death is awesome. Look at the deaths. I died twice and I got 24 kills at the minute. 25. Yeah, and still keep counting like 26. I think I died. 26. This is awesome. I shot them both down. Got double kill for that.
Hunter-killer drone on standby.
This is the last kill cam. I'm gonna assume but we're not bullets. I hope you enjoy and like and subscribe and like please. My name is Devil Jacky and I'm awesome. I am better than Vanos Gaming. Thank you and come again.